Good morning students. As in previous video, I continued the chapter reported speech, in which I have taught you how direct speech is changed to indirect speech, and I have told you assertive sentence in which you have to see if there is positive or negative sentence in reported speech, how it is changed to indirect speech. And I have also told you if the reporting verb is in the present tense or in future tense, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. Only pronouns are changed, and the rules of changing pronoun I have told you that it is changed according to the rule 1, 2, 3 upon SOR. I have also taught you if there is imperative sentence and there is an order found in the sentence, how it is changed to indirect speech. If there is order for doing something and order for not doing something, you have studied. Today I am going to tell you the next rule that if there is let in the sentence, in reported speech, if there is let, see this, if there is a let in the sentence, we change said into ordered and we use to after removing inverted comma. Students, if there is a let word in the reported speech, in that sentence let is found, then we change said into ordered and to after removing inverted comma. Let's see the example of it. You see the example. The principal said to the peon. The principal said to the peon, let the students enter the school. Let's see the answer. Question is the principal said to the peon, let. Here let word has come. So according to this rule, if let word comes in the reported speech, we change set into ordered. Here given order. Now let's see example. Let's see answer. The principal ordered are commanded, both are correct. Ordered the peon and after inverted comma to the role to is used to, and same sentence will be there, only pronouns will be changed and the same also. Let tense will not be there, only pronoun to. Let the students enter the school. To let the students enter the school. This is the answer. But students, write down this rule and example also. But another word comes just like let's, then what we should do. I am going to that rule also. So first of all write this rule, then I will tell you another rule. Another rule I am writing yourself. Next rule is there. If there is less, if there is less in the sentence, if there is less in the sentence, if there is less sentence, then what we should do? If there is less in the sentence, what we should do? We change said to into suggested to or proposed to. We change said to into suggested to or proposed to, and we use that after removing inverted comma. Write down the rule. After this rule I am going to make up. I am to rub it. Please write down this rule, then I will go forward. First of all, you should write this one, then this I am telling you. One line I am going to rub here. We change propose to and we use that proposed to, and we use that after removing inverted comma. After removing inverted comma. But one rule also is added here. You should also write that. One line I am going to run here. Further one line left in this rule. Write on that line also. If the subject or object, if the subject or object of reporting verb is first person pronoun, is first person pronoun, comma. If the subject or object of reporting verb is the first person pronoun, we use they should, we use they should. If the subject or object of reporting verb is first person pronoun, we use we should, this is not, we use we should, and if there is not first person pronoun, we use this. This is it. And something more. We remove the word. We remove the word let's. We remove the word let's. In this case, students, if there is let's in the sentence, even the reported speech, let's word comes, then we change set to into suggested to or proposed to. Then set to change to suggested to or proposed to. And we use that. And that is after moving inverted comma. That after moving inverted comma. And if the subject or object of reporting verb is first person pronoun, we use we should. And if there is not, we use they should. We use they should. We remove the word let's. Now let's see example of this rule. This rule is something long, and take example of it. One example I am writing here below. Example: he said to me, comma inverted comma, let's go to school. He said to me, comma inverted comma, let's go to school. See the question. Students, if you see the question, he said to me, let's go to school. This is the question. Here in this sentence of reported speech, let's word has come. Let's. In this case, if there is let's in the sentence of reported speech, we can set to into suggested to or proposed to. This suggested to or proposed to. Now I am changing. See the answer. He suggested. He suggested to me. After removing inverted comma, that is used. That he suggested to me that. Now here further revision. If the subject or object of reporting verb is first person pronoun, this is reporting verb, set to be reporting verb. Subject means object. Rule says that either subject or object any if it is first person pronoun. Here means first person pronoun. Here it is if the subject or object of reporting verb is first person pronoun, we use we should. Then here first person pronoun has come. Here I will use we should. We should. And further given that we remove the word. We remove the word let's. We remove the word let's. Let's word will be removed. He suggested to me that we should go to school. We should go to. We go to school. We should go to school. This is the example. We should go to school. He suggested to me that we should go to school. Suppose here first person pronoun is not there, either subject or object of reporting verb, then we should use they should. Then they should be there. In this way, students, if there is a let in the sentence, another rule is followed, and if there is a let in the sentence, then another rule is followed. Now you should write down this and learn it. And further, I am going to tell you next rule. If in imperative sentence, now you are studying if there is order in the imperative sentence. Now I am going to tell if there is request in the if there is a request in a imperative sentence, then what is the rule? Then we will write. Write down this first one. I am going to tell you the next. Yes. Write down this. Write it. Write it. Now I am going to tell you if there is a request, someone is making a request to someone, then what is the rule? One line I am going to write here and write down this. Two lines I am going to write down. Next rule I am writing, other rule I am writing. See, if there is a request, rule is if there is request. If there is a request, if there is a request in the sentence, if there is a request in the sentence, we change said to into requested. Set to into requested. Set to change to requested. If there is a request in the sentence, we change set into requested, and further we change set into requested. And we use to is used. We use to after removing inverted comma. After removing inverted comma. If there is a request in the sentence, we change set to into requested and we use to after inverted comma. Let's type out rule. See the example. Write down this rule. See the example of this rule. And one similarly, students, we remove the word. We remove the word please. Please word is removed. Now see the example. He said to me, comma, rotate comma, please help me. He said to me, please help me. This is the question. The question is, he said to me, please help me. In this sentence, request is made. He is requesting me. So now, if there is a request in the sentence, we follow this rule. What is the rule? If there is a request in the sentence, we change said to into requested. And we use to after moving on a comma, we remove the word please. So now see the answer of this question. We should follow the rule that I have written here. Now see. In this sentence we see that there is a request. The please word will be removed. After moving on a comma, to will be used, and said to will be changed to requested. This is the rule. And pronoun will be changed according to the rule 1, 2, 3 upon SQL. Answer: He requested me. After moving on comma, that he requested me that please word will be removed. He that not will be 2 will be there. Rule is wrong. Here rule not wrong. The answer is wrong. After moving on comma, 2 into that not. He requested me to. Please word will be removed. He requested me. Please word will be removed and 2 will be used. After moving on comma, he requested me to. Then help. To help. According to rule, you have to change the rule. You have to change according to the rule. This pronoun me is first person pronoun. According to the rule 1, 2, 3 upon S1, first person pronoun is changed according to the subject. Subject is he. Me will be changed according to he. See the case. May in objective case. Objective case of he will be him. To help him. This is the answer. He said to me, please help me. Answer will be he requested me to help him. This is the answer. Students, one more rule is there in comparative. If there is advice in the sentence, then what will you do? Write down that rule also. That rule also write down. If there is advice, then what will you do? Write down. Another rule. If there is advice, if there is advice in the sentence, then we change set into advised. We change set into advised and we use that not to not that not to you. If there is advice in the sentence, we can set into advice and we use to after removing inverted comma. Write down. After removing inverted comma. After removing inverted comma. The rule is there. If there is advice in the sentence, we can set into advised and we use to after removing inverted comma. Now see the example. You can take example other side I will write. Example of this rule I am writing here and you will also write. Example of this rule. They said to us. They said to us. Common noted common. You should help the poor. You help poor. You should not help the poor. They said to us, help the poor. Help the poor. See, this is the question. They said to us, help the poor. So here in this sentence, it is imperative sentence and they are giving advice. So, in such type of sentence, if advice is found, so then said is tend to advised, and after the inverted comma to is used. See the answer? They advised us. They advised us after inverted comma to help the poor. They advised us to help the poor. This is the answer. If there is advice in the sentence, we can say to remove advice, and after comma we use to. See the question? They said to us, advice. They advised us to help the poor. In this way, students, you have studied if there is imperative sentence in reported speech, how it is changed into indirect speech, and you have to write all the rules that I have noted down. You should write, and further I will teach you next day. Thank you.